Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert Peso currency symbol on a document using keyboard shortcuts. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, this is the currency symbol for Peso. Peso is a currency symbol for Philippines. Now, to insert this currency using your keyboard shortcut, just head over to Insert, and then you should see we have an option for symbols. Under this, click on More Symbols, and this will highlight more symbols on your page in Microsoft Word. Now from here, you want first to change the font text to Arial. This is one of the best font style that you can use for currencies. And then head to Subject. Under Subject, click on it, and then look for currency symbols. And as you can see, we have so many of them. And from the list, we can see we have Peso symbol here. So if I click on it, now I can insert directly by just clicking on Insert. However, remember, we want to use keyboard shortcut. Now, one disadvantage is there is no keyboard shortcut for this currency symbol on a normal keyboard. However, we can create our own shortcut by going to shortcut here. So if you go to shortcut, now you can create your own specific shortcut by just entering a combination here. You are told press new shortcut key. So for this case, I'll try and create mine by using any combination. For instance, a combination of Alt key plus 1. And now you can see it has been added, and then I'll click on Assign. You can create your own combination as you wish, but I recommend using Alt plus any letter or even number or symbol, because most Control and Shift keys are used with majority of these characters. Once you're done, now you can close. Now if I close this and now press Alt plus 1 on my keyboard, now you can see Peso currency symbol will be inserted in my document directly. So that's how you can create Peso currency symbol keyboard shortcut on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.